Wow. Pwede no? Walan.
Hindi na kita makikita.
Maria kay Sancho.
Huwag na umiyak. Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy Zach Poppin', and right now we're having a family dinner here at Azadore. Nandito silang lahat. Say hi everyone! Hi Lola Glo, hi Mom Mel, hi Mom, Bobby, hi Fortunos. Kakain muna kami ngayon. Nag-ayaan na kami mag-dinner kasi ang tagal rin namin hindi nakakapag-ganito, so let's enjoy the food. Hello, we're back home and we're going to rest already kasi we have an early day tomorrow. We're going to Pampanga for my last hosting at the team building of PCS. So I'll see you guys there. Rest na muna tayo tonight.
I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
So I'm ready na. We're here at Royce Clark and it's so beautiful. The room's always beautiful. Nag-show na rin kami dito last year. And today naman, we're gonna host the team building for PCSO. So before I go down, I'm gonna show you the room. Look! This is the restroom. And guys, can you just say, it looks so good. Entrance, there's this mirror, that's me, and this is our room. Wow. But now we have to go down because magsa-start na yung team building. Hello everyone! Ayun na si Ate Mari. Mali-mali dito tayo. Siya ang ka-partner ko for today. Siyempre hindi mawawalan lagi ng ka-co-host.
Of course.
We're so excited. Ngayon bumalik kami sa room kasi tignan niyo yung suot niya, naka-jacket siya. So magja-jacket din, nakaparaan sa tayo kami. Yes!
Together with my co-host.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy Zach Poppin'.
Yeah.
Congrats to everyone to each apartment. Let me hear you one last time scream. Oh. Yes.
We're back to our room and naka-Hawaiian outfit na kami. Mama, say hi! Ganda na outfit ng mama ko. So, mamaya may a-awardan daw na best dress for male and female. So, let's see kung sino yung mga ma-awardan tonight. Tita Eileen, say hi! At saka si Tita Blue, oh, Hawaiian. Sila ang goddess and god for tonight.
God bless everyone. Thank you.
Took a chance.
So today's another day and before tayo umuwi, we passed by our hotel in Bulacan. It's in Plaridel. It's Aerostop and it's actually beside the airport. I'm gonna show you the planes later kasi mayroong plane si Tito Luke dito. And then we're gonna see Lola ko and kasi baka mabusy na rin tayo sa next few days. It's good din napadaan tayo dito, so I'm glad we can do that. Lola ko. We're gonna get a better tour when you see kasi here's the pool and yun yung mga rooms sa taas and yan rooms na lahat yan. We're going naman dito sa parking ng mga airplane. Sana may ilaw. Ay, may ilaw! Let's go! Yan ang mga airplanes ni Tito Luke. It's his collection, guys. Look, oh. Nag-photoshoot na rin kami dito before and it was nice kasi nakapasok kami sa loob ng mga airplane. Inalaw naman kami kasi meron atang pilot at that time. Actually, mas organized sila ngayon. I wish, no, someday, makapaglipad din ako ng plane. Pag natuto tayo, malay natin. This guys, I don't know where's the exit, pero let's see, let's try. Ayun, pwede buksan. Ayan, ito yung parang, anong tawag dito? Yung daanan ng plane. Here you go. This is their little Plaridel Airport. airport. Actually, it's not little. It's really big actually. Just right outside the parking space of the plane. Meron din ata doon, pero ibang ano na ata yan. Ibang place na. Sayang wala tayong nasaktuhan na may nagpapalipad ngayon ng plane. Pero last time, I think na nagpo-photoshoot kami meron. Gusto ko lang din mapakita to sa inyo kasi it might be my last time to visit here for some time kasi nga paalis na rin tayo. So, for memories. Hello everyone, it's Sunday, May 18. We're on our way to Newport's Performing Theater kasi we're gonna watch the play of Delia. Not sure if I got the title correct. In-invite kami manood. So, manonood tayo saglit kaya paano mapanood natin yung performances. Kasi yung mga songs will be from Sir Jonathan Manalo. Right after kaya tayo nakaayos ngayon, may dance class tayo mamaya. Tatakbo tayo from Newport to Nerve QC. Hello everyone, so we just finished the part 1 of the show. Bawal mag-record sa loob. I think it's because para hindi ma-spoil sa iba yung content nila. But part 1 was so good. It was all about the contest. So yun lang yung clue na mabibig ko sa inyo. Hindi na ako mananood ng part 2 kasi kailangan ko niya humabol sa dance list ko. Hello everyone, it's May 19, 2025. It's around 7:30 p.m. And kasama ko si Bobby kasi magsiswimming kami. Loko, may dala kaming chichirya. Kasi hindi tayo mabubuhay nang wala yan. And then, may swimming gears, goggles, hair cap, and then yung pantakip sa tenga nasa aking pockets. Now, pababa na tayo. And we're here. Bye-bye! Balik na lang. So right now we're here at Erica's condo. Ayan, nagbabanding kami. Oh, ang saya mo naman. Kaya nga, parang hindi siya masaya. Masaya ka na. Biglang tumakas. So, nandito si Ian. We're having a halo-halo party. Si Ram naliligo pa. Say hi, Lucas! Hi! Hi! He's eating Shanghai. Show your Shanghai. Yes! Yum! Dito muna ako mag-overnight para makabanding sila.
Nakikita ba yung tsura ko? Huwag nga ganyan.
Maganda ka naman eh. Oh.
Crunchy?
Worth it ba, Erica, yung halo-halo?
Thank you.
Worth it. Ayan, pa nakikita niyo kung gaano ka-ungrateful. You know, bagong ligo si Ram. Hi, Ram.
Wow.
Oh, children first. Good morning, guys. We're still here with Erica and silang dalawa. We're going to eat at our favorite karinderya na nandito lang sa harap. Actually, sana ka meron din dito malapit sa amin. Pero dito kasi masarap yung food. Merong dinuguan, and then yung lechong kawali. Ate, ano yung apat na yan?
Pataong ba?
Pataong ba?
Higado.
Higado.
Apritadang maluko.
Hindi ko mabibili lang sa'yo.
Hindi ito yung basher ko. Kamukha ko daw si Lorax.
Oo naman.
Kain, kaldereta, and igado. Kain, Ram. Hindi ka talaga kakain.
Dito, ayoko, gusto ko talaga ng malamig na halo-halo, please.
Kain ka muna. Tignan mo muna.
Talagang kulay pa papakain mo sa akin? Hindi pa
Tama
kasi.
niya, ma'am.
Okay.
Diba, ang sarap. Dinner time, and nagluto si tita ng adobo. Thank you, tita.
Vlog siya nga.
Sabi niya siya daw magluluto. Anong ginawa mo?
Thank you, Mommy. You're the best.
I'm so excited.
Mommy, thank
It's
you, ah.
Lutong bahay. At guys, nanonood pala ako ng Kakaigerui. Ayan, yung bet. Ang ganda niya, guys. Lutong bahay, guys. Top tier. Sarap. Thank you, Doc Hannah. See you soon.
Ay, din o. Yan. Yun muna. It's moving out day and I started late because medyo not feeling well tayo today, but I'm just gonna be bringing my clothes and some stuff then back home, and then I'm gonna be finalizing it tomorrow. And before that, actually, before ako mag-impake for the US, I'm just gonna be running some last minute errands. But for tonight, we're gonna be resting na rin after a short while when we go home. And then, yun, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon, guys. It's May 27 already, and last night I was not feeling well, but feeling ko naman nag-take effect na siya ngayon, so I'm feeling better. We're gonna run to our haircut first, then we're gonna get our eyebrows done. Then right after that, we're gonna go home kasi my lola is coming here. She's gonna bring food, and we're gonna eat with her. So I'm so excited for that. I'm gonna meet all my lolas tonight.
What is your birthday?
I want to keep it kind of long.
Ah,
This is my last haircut. Yeah, I'm going to the US already.
tomorrow.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to be scheduled today. So right now we're here at Lay Bear near our place, and then I'm gonna have my eyebrows thread here. Papalinis ko lang naman, so I feel like it's gonna be easy for them. Sorry, Ate Angel, hindi na ako naka-visit dyan sa estancia because it's gonna be traffic. It's gonna be far away kasi we're in Timog lang a while ago, so didn't wanna go out of way. We just really need this para naman we have clean brows when we go to the States. Eyebrows are done! Dumating na si Mama Leti at the house. Here's Mama Leti. Hi, Mama Leti! Ayan. Nandito rin si Ate Cathy. Siya po nag-alaga sa akin ever since I was young. Pababa na rin si Mama in a while kasi dinala nila yung favorite food ko. Luto ni Mama Leti. Kare-kare and crispy pata. Thank you, Mama Leti.
Daming tao na siya, sigurado.
Yes po. Hindi na ako makakakain nito. So, let's try the kare-kare.
Di pa na gumawa.
Grabe. Di ba pa?
Masarap siya.
The best kare-kare, guys. Ito naman yung crispy pata. Ayun na si Mama. Sa kapila. Mama Leti.
Pagkuha ko ng kape.
Thank you po. Salamat po. Ate Cathy. Thank you.
Iyak na tuloy ako. Hindi na kita makikita. Magpakabait ka dun, ha?
Nagpapayak na si Ate Cathy. Sabi ko, Ate Cathy, thank you po. Sige po, yung kape niyo. Yung kape. O, bukas na to, ayoko muna umiyak tuloy. Magkikita pa tayo, kaya kailangan nyo magpalakas.
Kaya na, huwag na siya magsuba.
Oo nga. Ay, may pinagmanahan na ako kay Kuba rin ako. Parehas kami. Para hindi kayo gabihin yung kape nyo rin. Yung kape nila. Si Mamel ayoko tignan kasi bukas pa. Maria kay Sancho magagamit niya.
Ano yan?
Yan.
Yeah.
Ito. Singit niyo na to.
Ay, hindi kasya na. Maliit lang.
Rawa na.
Ano ba? Maliit lang na. Anong gamit mo?
Hindi.
Kanina ka.
1, 2, 3.
Kaya na ba to?
Okay na. Sakit.
Hindi naman po. Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to the airport, and today's a big day. Ay, kayo nila dito. Ay mo na. Tsaka yung mga face mask. I think yun naiwan ko, no? Lahat yan. Madami, madami yan.
Masaya doon. Masaya doon.
Pakabait ko doon, ha. Ay, mo, New life ko, ha. Dali na lang mo naman, take you.
I'll see you, bebe. Tama na.
Love you.
Huwag naiyak. Sige na. Huwag naiyak, anak. Ingat.
Huwag na umiyak. Huwag ka na umiyak.
Kasama kayo.
We're gonna launch na.
Yung next.
I will see you. I'll see you. I'll see you. Love you. Madali lang yan, anak. Madali lang.
Hello everyone, we're here at the Incheon International Airport. We're gonna have this as our layover going to Las Vegas, Nevada. And ayun, actually kanina lang din ako nakakompose ng sarili ko. Like, ever since nung nandun pa ako sa NAIA, I was still crying. But on the way here naman, I was kind of accepting it na. And right now, I feel better. But definitely, the feeling's still there. And ayan, actually, boarding na namin. So, I'm gonna be in the plane. Sobrang overwhelmed pa rin ako sa mga nararamdaman ko ngayon. But it's normal to feel anxious, to feel excited, to feel happy, to feel sad. Mixed emotions talaga siya, honestly. And never ko pa kasi na-feel in my life yung ako yung umaalis or ako yung nangiiwan. So, this is something new for me kasi from my experience, I was always the one who was being left. And now, it's hard din pala to leave people behind. This is my first time in America and I'm migrating there, so it's a big jump for me. I don't know anyone there except my family, so I'm really looking forward to that. But yun nga, that's why siguro sobra din ako umiyak is because of knowing na it's gonna be a long time until I see the people again here in the Philippines, and it's gonna be different na by that time, you know, yung connection and all, kasi time changes people. So, I just really hope the best for everyone and in the future. So, mamimiss ko kayong lahat dyan na family ko. If you're watching this, I'm gonna miss you all so much. Actually, I already miss you, but I'm really also looking forward to this new beginning in my life. And I'll bring you guys with me. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you watch the next one kasi I'll see you in Vegas. Keep on shining, everyone. Bye!